Get 6.
I'm not really sure how to answer. We have to do something special.
If you blow up a helicopter, you get 6.
How do you blow up a helicopter?
Rocket launcher.
RPG. So great.
Matt, do it.
Well, yes.
Rocket launch a helicopter.
Hey! That's fun, Nelly.
It's funny, you're doing so good.
Matt, come on.
Yes, get out! Grab a bitch! Oh my god!
Better than TV. They're chasing you on a, what is that thing called? That
I
they
don't
use
even know.
at the
It's like
airport?
it's like
a scooter or something.
It's a golf cart.
It's not a golf cart. Look at it. It's like a lawnmower on crack.
Oh my god, I got a
Get out,
bell.
Matt, get out, get out.
You're on fire. Go, it's gonna blow up.
I'm gonna die.
Matt, shoot him the rocket launcher.
Steal an airplane. What are you doing?
You can't do the airplane.
Oh, that's
I am
stupid.
so epic.
Steal an airplane.
Oh, I
Okay.
almost got
And that's the end of it. You died.
Matt, what the heck?
You died. 'Cause you suck.
You should have shot him with a rocket launcher.
Not sad now.
That was the greatest ever.